noticed I never did an intro for this video, so we're starting off kind of weird. But basically what's going to happen in this video is we are going to look at the seeds that we potted up in February, and I'll give you a little update on how they're doing. I've been misting them with the mist bottle every day-ish, depending. I think there's only 1 or 2 days that I forgot. But yeah, so we're going to give you an update on them, see how they're doing, and then there's a couple that need to be repotted, or it's time for them to be transpotted, so we're going to go ahead and pot them in a bigger pot. Yeah, so let's get right into it. So this is the plant situation. Let me move these lights out of here. Alright, so the lettuce in this container was the first to come up. The mold's gone down. There was like fluffy white stuff gathering all around. I'm not sure why it went away, but it did, so that's cool. But yes, we got lots of lettuce already growing, and those are the jalapeno peppers, I think, that are growing next. So that's pretty cool. The spinach, is that what SP was? Sweet pepper. Sweet pepper has not come up yet. So yeah, that's that container. And then in here, so the Calendula, I think is what it's called, and I don't remember what the CM was. Those have both come up. We've had a couple little flops look like of them trying to come up but maybe coming out the sides. So that is definitely disappointing. The lavender's doing that right there, if you can see. Also, I'm not sure, this guy was a chive, looks like. Both of these guys. So I'm gonna get these 2 guys in bigger containers because they've just about outgrown this one. And I might do the same with the lettuce over here. And maybe the jalapeno peppers. I might give them a little bit longer. Okay, so now that we have our seeds, or at least a few of them, I'm gonna pot up the Calendula, I think is how you say it. Yeah, the ones who are about to burst the container. So my mom is a wonderful lady, and when I asked if she had any extra containers, she brought me a whole trash bag of these old hanging baskets. So I really did want to put the flowers like in the over rail, but I haven't bought them yet. I probably should get on that soon. But yeah, so I think I'm just gonna put them in here and just hang this like on the railing or something, because I think that would work out decently and be kind of cute. And if I don't want the hanging basket, I can just unclip these later and put them and I can put them on the table or just on the patio itself. So yes, I'm actually gonna take these off now, and I'm gonna go get those. I only have that one very small bag of dirt, so I'm gonna need more dirt, but at least for this pot there should be enough. But I'm gonna go ahead and dump these in here. Big chunks, so I'm gonna break it up in my hands. I feel like I'm like, what's his name? I don't remember his name, but like that Disney character. It's like all hunched up. Yeah. I am gonna make little tiny wells and then just go ahead and pop them in here. And then I think I'm gonna sprinkle a couple other seeds. I don't know if the seeds will just randomly pop up, but they seem to come up pretty fast and do pretty well. Let me sit down so this doesn't look super crazy anymore. Okay. Here we go. Oh, look at that root. Look at it. You will grow strong, little one. I believe in you. Very gently. I'm going to place him in. Snug as a bug in a rug. This one has no roots coming out the bottom yet, but that's okay. He will get there. Big and strong one day, just like your brother. I don't know what that noise is. It's coming from the hallway. I think it's someone in the washroom. Calendula? I know it's not Calendula, but I literally just saw someone pronounce this on a video. Calendula. Is that how you pronounce it? I think that's how you pronounce it. A whole bunch of seeds. I think I had put 2 in each socket last time, so kind of plop them in there. And like I said, I don't know if these ones will pop up because I'm not going through the whole like keep them in the humidity pot, but that's okay. give him some water, and then I don't know if I should put him underneath the grow light or if I should put him next to the porch. Decisions, but definitely could give him just a little tiny bit of water. Okay, so I put a couple more over here and over here, so we'll see if those ones pop up. If not, I might get more of these little seed starters and plop them in there. But yeah, I don't know if I should put him underneath the sun light over there, grow light, or if I should put him in the window. But this is where we're starting at with these guys. Okay, so now that that is done, I'm actually gonna wait to do the ones in the other containers, the jalapeno pepper and the lettuce. The lettuce, because I don't have a container for it yet that I want to put it in. The jalapeno pepper, because I want to wait till it gets a little bit taller. And then I'm gonna put, I don't know how many gallons this is, but it is kind of on the smaller side. I looked it up real fast and it said to only put one plant per like 5 gallons, I think it was, of space when you're container planting peppers. So I'll probably put one pepper in here, and then I have 2 others that are a little bit bigger than this, so I might put the other jalapeno peppers or maybe a sweet pepper in those. I am gonna go back over to the container with the jalapeno peppers though, because most of them have 2 sprouts coming up and I only want 1 because I don't want them competing for space. So I'm gonna thin them out a little bit, give a little snip snip to the smaller one. I'm sorry, little baby, but you're going to go away. And then yeah, so I will do that, and then that will be it for today. Next video should be how to plant pots in milk jugs. We're gonna do like a little greenhouse style and set them outside. I'm actually gonna be filming that either later today or tomorrow, but it will come out next week. So we're just gonna go ahead and thin these 4. I think this one, it's the only one that popped up so far. But this guy, we're gonna snip. Maybe. Okay. And this guy, also gonna snip. Come on. And same with the last one. Not sure which one looks bigger and stronger, but we're gonna go with you. Okay, so now there's only 1 growing in each, and so I don't know if I'm honestly gonna plant all 4. I might bring some over to my parents' garden. So that's a little update on the seeds. Definitely come back next week to see what we're putting in the milk jugs and how we are doing that to start plants outside a little bit early, since it is March and it is still 30 degrees in upstate New York.